In a premises liability case, the owner or the occupier of a business cannot create any dangerous conditions, and they must act reasonable under the circumstances. They must also comply with all regulations, laws, and statutes regarding their business. Typically, in a slip and fall case, we see injuries involving leg fractures, hip fractures, shoulder injuries, and neck injuries. The stigma for a slip and fall case is that businesses do everything they can to prevent falls. But in reality, we know that doesn't happen. Things are missed, employees don't always do the right thing, and sometimes people fall because of their negligence. It is important to act fast on a fall case. Photos of the scene, photos of the injuries need to be taken immediately. Surveillance video oftentimes will disappear unless you request it immediately. Witness statements may be the most important thing. Witness statements are very important to get right away. People's memory fade, and sometimes they change their stories, so it is very important to act fast. Oftentimes insurance companies will do the investigation before a lawyer is ever involved, which will mean they take photographs first, they get the witness statements first, they take video. So it is important to act fast on these cases and get a lawyer involved right from the beginning. The insurance company's goal generally for a case like this is to save money, and quite frankly, they'll investigate with an eye towards helping the business that they insure. They're not looking out for the person who fell and was injured. What we do on our premises liability cases that's different than other firms is we do aggressive investigation early on in the case. Photographs, video, and witness statements. It's important to get out ahead of these insurance companies and get all the information first. Damages in a premises liability case often involve pain and suffering, medical bills, lost wages, and most importantly, as a separate damage, permanent injury. During your initial case evaluation for a premises liability case, you'll come to our office, meet with the partner in charge of your case. That partner will explain the process to you, obtain any other additional information that's needed for the claim. We'll listen to your expectations, and we'll give you a roadmap for what you can expect from the case.